Hi everyone, I'm Irma, and you're probably here because you want to add some icons to your page. So let's cut straight to the chase. In this video, I'll talk about what are icons and why use them, where to find icons, and I'll show you a couple of ways how you can add icons to your WordPress website. Let's start off by saying that icons are little pictograms that are used to accent your written content. Icons increase the readability of your site because it gives a visualization of what's written. For example, if you have a section of features, like this one here, as you can see, the icons separate the content, and you can already tell that this column is about time and this is about people. It just makes the text easier to understand. I've collected some tips for all of you about using icons, so here they are. First, icons should be visual synonyms of the content you add them to. You're talking about time? Add a clock. You're selling pizza? Add a pizza icon. Like Buddha pizza, right here. They're using icons for all the ingredients here. First of all, it makes it a lot easier to understand, and second of all, it just looks better. For consistent design, don't mix icon sets and fonts. Once you've found the one that fits your style, stick with it throughout your website. The reason behind this is that icon sets and fonts, they really tend to differ from each other, look-wise. For example, a flower icon. This is a flower from Icofont and this from Material Design. They do look a lot different, don't they? Same with these bicycles here. You can make lists more attractive with icons. Simply adding a check mark to each line will make the list more readable. A good practice is to apply accent colors of your page to the icons. Like, for example, we've got here. Let's say you've got a page, the background's white, the text black, the usual. But you can go crazy with the icons here, just choosing all sorts of different colors. As I said before, those would be the accents. You can add icons to buttons to increase their meaning. For example, if you have a download button, if you add a download icon to it, it makes the person recognize what the button is meant for a lot quicker. So, the next step in this journey is to find actual icons to use. And there are a lot of resources to choose from, but by far the most popular amongst WordPress users is Font Awesome. It has more than 7,000 icons, and they can be added with a plugin. Other places to get icons from are Icomoon, Icofont, Material Design, Iconify, and others. Once you've found the icon set that you like the most, there's just one step in the way, adding them to your site. And there are a couple of ways you can do that. The first way is adding the icons as an image. Most icon libraries will allow downloading an SVG file of the icon, which is a good thing. SVG is a vector file, which means that your icon will look in a good quality no matter the size of it. But there's one problem in this scenario, and it's that WordPress doesn't allow SVG files by default. But there's a way around it. What you can do is download a plugin, like the SVG support plugin, and that will fix this problem straight away. Another option is to use a plugin, and I'll demonstrate with the Font Awesome plugin. The first step here, obviously, is to install and activate the plugin. And I've got it here already, installed and activated. And the next step is to find an icon, so go to fontawesome.com and look for the icon you want. I'll choose the WordPress icon, and now you just have to remember the name of your icon. So here, it's WordPress. And what you do now is just add the name to a shortcode, and the shortcode is supposed to look like this. Now simply add the shortcode to your page. Preview the site. And here's the icon. That's simple. There's an even easier way to add icons to your site, and it's with Visual Composer. So, how you can add icons with Visual Composer? Simply by choosing the icon element. Simply add it to a page. Next step is choosing the icon set you'll be using. And if you're using Visual Composer free, you can choose any of the Font Awesome icons. But If you're working with Visual Composer Premium, you can choose 1 out of 15 icon sets that we've got here. Just choose any of them from the drop-down. What's different from all the other options is that you can style your icons straight from here. As you can see, you can choose the color, set a URL, choose a size, background, shape, color, alignment, and even a hover effect. Icons can be really beneficial for your site and just make it more interesting. So hopefully this guide helped you find the right set and showed you how to add them to your site. So don't forget to hit the like button if you want to see more videos like this one. And thank you all for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.